So in this video we will look interface in Java. So in the previous video we have looked about abstract class. So we will look interface now in detail. So what is the difference between interface and abstract class is that by default all the methods in interface is abstract methods, whereas in abstract class we will have both abstract as well as concrete methods, which is normal methods. But here every method should be abstract method by default. So we will take a look at example and see how interface works in Java. So let's take an example of interface named, we will give some name. So interface and class both are different. We will directly give the name as interface, not class. So interface is a keyword. We will directly give, no class is required, because it's automatically, interface means it is something related to class but not class. Now we will give a name, for example ABC. So ABC is some name for the class we are given. We will give some other name, Java interface. So Java interface we are given the name. Now we will have body of this class or interface. It's not a class, it's an interface. So we will have body. So inside this body we will have methods. Only methods, no definition for the methods. So we will give a method named void show. So this how it will be. We won't have any definition for it. Only method, and this also not required, as it is already by default it is abstract. So it is void show. So in the main class we will see how to fetch this method and use. So we will create an object for this interface. We will see how to create an object for this interface. There are actually two methods. First method is creating another class. For example, we will create another class named class Java implements. So implements is a keyword used here, whereas for inheritance we use extend. Here we use implements Java inter. So Java implements Java interface. So in this we can give definition for void show. For example, we will print in Java implements. So we are in Java implement class. So we have created a Java implements Java implement class, in which we have given definition for this show method. So now in the object class we can call it using reference to this class Java implements. So Java inter. Now we'll give some object Java. Okay, money ABC equal to new Java implement top. We will run and check now. Yeah, now it's running. Now we will call this method show. In Java implement class. Okay. Here why we are using Java inter ABC equal to new Java implement, right? So Java inter is the interface. We are calling interface. Using interface we are calling show method. So sorry. Using interface we are calling this class. Creating object for this class. So you will ask why can't I directly use Java implement? Yes, you can use Java implement ABC equal to new Java implement, but when you have more than one classes using the same interface, you will get confused of whether using this one or that one. So to verify that one, we are using like this. We are in this interface is used to call this object. So when more than one or two interfaces are used, this will be useful. So the another way of calling an object, or after the wait I'll tell you. So we won't need this one to implement that one. You can directly call this interface in this after creating this object. So here is a trick. So there are two types of things in science. One is discovery and another one is invention. Invention is like something we invent a computer, new computer which was not before. Whereas discovery is something was there, then we found it. So like dinosaurs, skeleton like that. So it was there, then we found it. So in the first method we used invention, we created a new class, then we implemented over that, then we called. Next is discovery. It is already there. It is already here. So using that itself, we will discover how to create an anonymous class. This is called as an anonymous class. So discovery and other things, discovery and invention both are not in official terms. So to understand only I have told.